Want to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals? Online surveys offer an easy solution. Explore top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When choosing survey platforms, consider their reputation, survey availability, and payout methods. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles, seize free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software for a smoother survey experience. Be cautious of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate, typically taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals for surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.